day breaks and I'm burned by the morning light. I make the same mistake more than twice. Same song, but brand new dance. I wear out my third second chance. You take my breath and I can't get it back. Might be time for me to face the facts. The best me is with you, but I know I got a lot to prove. They think we're too damaged to fix, but we're just working through a little rust. They like to say we're just young.
Beautiful morning, everyone. Again, it rained last night, but look, the sun is out. Looks like it will be humid hot today. First, let me put this. I need to pay a bill. So how we pay bills, we just put in the mail, just write a check, and then mail it. You don't have to go in the office to pay, just like in Philippines. Okay, let me go inside and see what I can do today. So I will not be watering plants. I save water today. What? Very hungry? How many? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13. You only know how to eat when it's in the ground like that. Oh, here comes the rain. Ooh, so this is the time Habi gave his go signal for me to pick the tomato. Wow. Oh, look nice. I smell the smells like tomato. It's really hard, the stem. There. Oh my God. Thank you, thank you. Tomato. Look. First, pick. First fruit of this tomato. Look like that. So nice. So, I will think what to do with this. I will just slice and we eat so we get to taste the real taste of this tomato. Organic. Organic. Okay. Wow. It was drizzling earlier. Now it's sunny again. This is how you call the Hawaii weather. Weather lang yan. And I'm thinking, may I eat fresh tangerine? I will pick. Oops. I'm here again. Is this one good? Ay, it's not good. Get brown on the skin. Let me look for another one. Where can I pick the good ones? Oh, I think they are getting overripe. Plenty. Oh, I cannot reach. How can I get that one? Oh, there. I get a hobbies club in here. You know already, guys, if like this, just like here in the yard, you get to see like this, and then this one also, I will show you. There. Look, guys, near the bell pepper, what's this? You know already what it means. It means My husband is a golfer. I get this there, and I have this in the ground. I sauce. So to continue, I like get that one. Oh, this one is kind of big. Oh, there. Gotcha. I got you. Wow, there. Drizzling again. Let's eat in here underneath the tangerine. Oh wow, plenty rotten fruit in the ground again, meaning I need to clean. Okay, look in there, guys. The birds finish eating their food. Okay, bye. See you again tomorrow. What now? Looks like they are listening to me. I'm back and let's prepare lunch. So I have here spam. I will just cut in small cubes or dice. So who will cook? You, me? This is your this is your special. Why you cook? You mastered this one already. You mastered this lunch. And then the next one is I have here bacon, smoked bacon. Can you guess, guys, what are we making for lunch? Spam, bacon. Agluto tayo ti pangal daw. And then next, I have here cloves of garlic. For the garlic means iwa-iwa unti babasit. Ilocano once in a while. Hiwa-hiwain ng maliliit yung bawang. Okay. After the garlic, I have here green onion leaves from the yard. Okay, ingredients ready. We might Jack and Poy who will cook. Jack and Poy. And hubby started already, guys. Yes, he is the one cooking. So first, he fried the bacon. Second, the spam. And then he added the minced garlic or yung ating bawang. So he is making the garlic brownish. Okay guys, so this is our lunch, fried rice with bacon, spam, beans, garlic, ground pepper, little bit of salt, garlic powder, furikake, and of course the 1-day-old rice. Better eat achara because every time I eat, I need to have achara. Good. Achara. Fried rice. Cranberry juice. So the pan is very clean. No more. Saleable. Hi everyone, so we're done with lunch. Oh, it was very, very good. So now it's time again to edit videos. So this will take me few hours. Anyway, it's still early to cook dinner. And look guys what I get in here. Oh, this is my tangerine ice candy. This is so very, very good, guys. Very refreshing, kind of sweet, little bit sugary, but then it's loaded with vitamin C. Our new favorite. And then this ice candy reminds me of childhood memories in Philippines. Yes, we usually eat ice candy like this during when we were kids. And I'm glad I have it here in Hawaii. And then later, I don't know yet what to cook for dinner, but then I can see it's getting windy, the sky getting dark, very cloudy. So maybe there's a tendency it will rain this afternoon. So I'm thinking something good for the weather. Okay, so I think I will start my cooking soon. But look, guys, it's very windy now. Well, this is the weather. Sabi nga nila, it's unpredictable. Hi everyone, it's cooking time once again. So for today's dinner, guys, I will be making pork spare ribs soup with tomato. So in Philippines, we call this kinamatisang buto-buto ng baboy. So it's very easy. Actually, I started already. I tenderized the pork spare ribs. And now I separated the pork spare ribs since it's already half tender. I separate it from the pork broth. So now I will saute. Gisa-gisa po tayo. I will add little bit of oil so I can saute the garlic. This is the garlic or yung ating bawang. Maglalagay din ako ng onion. I will add tomato. This is 1 piece sliced tomato and then ginger. For flavoring, maglalagay ako ng fish sauce. I am using the Filipino patis. So I will leave like this, cook for a few minutes so that the pork spare ribs will absorb all the ingredients that I put. Ayan siya. Now I will add the pork broth. Ooh, look at that. Okay, so there you go. Now I will just let this boil for a few minutes until the pork spare ribs is completely tender. And after that, I will add the vegetables. And before I forget, I will put some peppercorn. There. Okay, so kita-kits later, guys. Okay guys, so I'm back and the pork spare ribs already tender. So right now I am taking some of the soup, put in a separate pot because I have a plan for this. So first, let me cover this for the meantime. Then I will set aside. Oops, kind of heavy. And I have a smaller pot. I put some of the broth in here. I will boil this one. And guys, look, I have here vermicelli noodles or sotanghon because I've been craving for the pork spare rib soup with sotanghon. But then, the problem is if you put sotanghon in there, in the pork spare ribs, the sotanghon will absorb the soup and it will become dry. So my technique in there is I will cook the vermicelli noodles or the sotanghon separately. Anyway, I have the broth in here so it will be very tasty. Same thing like that in the pork spare ribs. So, and then I will just put in a bowl like this. So when we eat, we just get some of the noodles, put some soup in it, and it will be very, very ono. Yes, that's what I am doing, guys, to prevent the soup from drying, because we all know that the noodles will absorb the soup, so it will not be pork spare rib soups anymore if you don't get to see the soup in there. So para-paraan din lang yan, di ba guys? Okay, so I'm waiting for the broth to boil. It's boiling actually. So I will just add this one. The vermicelli noodles I soak in water so it will be easier to cook. Really guys, I've been craving for this one. I like, others call it long rice, yeah? The sotanghon. Ooh, I love this one. Okay, let me check. So good. Okay, so I will just put in here. This is the sotanghon, guys. And it's time to put the vegetables. So first, string beans or utong from the yard. Next, I will add the cabbage, repolyo. This is repolyo. Okay, few more minutes. Okay, ready to eat.